Hi crafty friend, it's Toth here, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will be playing with the new embossing paste from Altenew. I hope you will like this tutorial, and after watching this video, be sure to stop by on my blog because today we are celebrating the new washi tape and embossing paste release with Altenew blog hub. Oh, and there is a giveaway too. Before I am going to make a card, I would like to show you the brand new embossing paste from Altenew. This embossing paste will give you a nice texture to your crafty project. It's super light and easy to form. It's like a buttercream frosting. Here you can see few examples. As you can see, it's a beautiful opaque white product with matte finish. I love it. Okay, let's see my project. I started the card making with the embossing paste because this product dries completely in 2 hours. I cut a piece of cardstock in 4.5 by 3.25 inches. I taped on it a deco wallpaper stencil from Altenew. I decided to make a colorful paste, so I chose one of my favorite Altenew mini ink cubes and mixed it with the embossing paste. When it was done, I gently removed the stencil and I let it dry for 2 hours. Next, I colored these beautiful florals on the Botanical Rhapsody washi tape. I made a quick and simple watercoloring on it with my Altenew ink cubes, but you can color them with your alcohol markers too. If you know my style, then you know that my favorite color is rainbow, but I love light and desaturated colors too. But today I wanted to create a softer look. I really love this washi tape. As you can see, it's really large and its name is Floral Rhapsody. Now let's talk about the giveaway. Altenew is giving away $30 gift certificates to 6 lucky winners. And they will also draw a winner to receive a $15 gift certificate from the comments left on each designer's blog. You can find the direct link to my post in the description box. When the coloring was done, I let it dry, then I fussy cut them. I styled my card, and once I was happy with the result, I added heat embossed sentiments and added everything together. In the end, I added clear sequins for an embellishment and my cards were ready. Thank you so much guys for watching this video. I hope you liked this tutorial. If yes, feel free to share it with your crafty friends on your Instagram stories or anywhere you want. If you liked it, give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. If you are a subscriber, ring the bell to don't miss any new tutorials. As always, you can find the used supplies in the description box below. And if you have any questions, feel free to ask me. Thanks again, have a nice day and see you soon. Bye bye.